What if I told you that one of the most powerful foods to rebuild your muscles isn't some expensive protein powder or supplement, but something already sitting in your kitchen right now? Not rare, not complicated, just potatoes. For years, potatoes have been misunderstood. People think they're just carbs that make you gain weight. But the truth is, when used the right way, certain types of potatoes can actually help your muscles recover faster, restore energy, and even reduce soreness after workouts. And here's the key. It's not about eating more, it's about eating smarter. So in this video, we're going to break down the top 4 types of potatoes that can help repair your muscles faster, plus the right way to eat them so you don't cancel out the benefits. Let's get into it. Number 1. Sweet potatoes are one of the most powerful foods you can include in your diet when it comes to muscle recovery and rebuilding strength after workouts. After intense physical activity, your muscles become depleted of glycogen, which is their primary source of energy. Sweet potatoes are rich in complex carbohydrates that help restore these glycogen levels slowly and efficiently, giving your muscles the fuel they need to recover without causing sudden spikes in blood sugar. This steady energy release is important because it supports endurance, reduces fatigue, and allows your body to stay in a recovery-friendly state for longer periods of time. Another key benefit of sweet potatoes is their high potassium content. Potassium is an essential mineral that helps regulate muscle contractions and fluid balance in the body. When you sweat during exercise, your body loses electrolytes like potassium. And if these are not replaced, it can lead to muscle cramps, weakness, and slower recovery. By including sweet potatoes in your post-workout meals, you help restore this balance, allowing your muscles to relax properly and recover more efficiently. In addition to carbs and potassium, sweet potatoes are packed with antioxidants, especially beta-carotene. These antioxidants play a crucial role in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation caused by intense training. When you exercise, small tears occur in your muscle fibers, and inflammation is part of the repair process. However, too much inflammation can delay recovery. The antioxidants in sweet potatoes help control this process, allowing your muscles to heal faster and grow stronger. They also provide dietary fiber, which supports better digestion and nutrient absorption, ensuring that your body can fully utilize the protein and other nutrients you consume. For muscle repair, making sweet potatoes a simple yet highly effective addition to any muscle-building diet. Number 2. Red potatoes are a simple yet highly effective food choice when it comes to supporting muscle recovery and maintaining steady energy after workouts. One of their biggest advantages is their ability to provide clean, natural carbohydrates that help quickly restore glycogen levels in your muscles. After intense exercise, your body is in a depleted state and needs fast but balanced energy to begin the repair process. Red potatoes offer this without the crash that often comes from processed foods, helping your body recover in a more stable and efficient way. Another important benefit of red potatoes is their vitamin C content. While most people associate vitamin C with immune health, it also plays a key role in muscle recovery. Intense workouts increase oxidative stress in the body, which can slow down the healing of muscle fibers. Vitamin C acts as an antioxidant that helps reduce this stress, allowing your muscles to repair themselves more effectively. It also supports collagen production, which is important for maintaining healthy connective tissues around muscles and joints. Red potatoes also contribute to better hydration, which is often overlooked in muscle recovery. They naturally contain a good amount of water along with essential minerals, helping your body rehydrate after sweating. Proper hydration ensures that nutrients are transported efficiently to your muscles, and waste products are removed more quickly, both of which are essential for recovery. In addition, red potatoes provide small but useful amounts of potassium and other micronutrients that support muscle function and prevent cramping. When combined with a balanced source of protein, they can create a powerful recovery meal that supports energy replenishment, reduces muscle stress, and helps your body return to peak performance faster without relying on artificial supplements. Number 3. Russet potatoes are one of the most effective and practical foods for supporting muscle recovery, especially after intense or high-volume training sessions, because they are naturally rich in fast-digesting carbohydrates that help rapidly replenish glycogen stores in your muscles, which is extremely important since glycogen acts as the primary fuel source during exercise. And when these stores are depleted, your body feels weak, tired, and slower to recover. So consuming russet potatoes after a workout helps restore that lost energy quickly and prepares your muscles for the next training session. Another important aspect of russet potatoes is their ability to support efficient nutrient utilization, particularly through their vitamin B6 content, which plays a key role in protein metabolism, meaning it helps your body break down and use protein more effectively for muscle repair and growth. And when combined with a good protein source like eggs, chicken, or yogurt, russet potatoes can significantly enhance the overall recovery process by ensuring that both energy and building blocks for muscle repair are available at the same time. Russet potatoes are also easy to digest compared to many heavier processed post-workout foods, which makes them especially useful immediately after training when your body is in a sensitive recovery state and needs simple, clean fuel rather than complex or greasy meals that slow down digestion. And this quick digestion allows nutrients to reach your muscles faster, supporting faster glycogen replenishment and reducing overall fatigue. They also contain potassium in moderate amounts, which helps maintain fluid balance and supports proper muscle contraction and relaxation, reducing the risk of tightness or cramps after exercise. And when you combine all these benefits together, russet potatoes become a highly efficient recovery food that supports energy restoration, muscle repair, and overall performance improvement without relying on artificial supplements or overly processed foods. Number 4, purple potatoes are one of the most underrated yet powerful foods when it comes to supporting muscle recovery and reducing post-workout inflammation, because their deep color comes from natural plant compounds called anthocyanins, which are strong antioxidants that help protect muscle cells from oxidative stress caused by intense physical training. And this matters because when you push your muscles hard during exercise, tiny microscopic tears form in the muscle fibers, and the body responds with inflammation as part of the healing process. But if that inflammation becomes excessive or uncontrolled, it can slow down recovery, increase soreness, and delay muscle growth. The antioxidants in purple potatoes help balance this process by neutralizing free radicals in the body, which are unstable molecules that increase after intense workouts and can damage cells if not controlled. So by reducing oxidative stress, purple potatoes allow your muscles to recover in a more efficient and less painful way. Another major benefit of purple potatoes is their positive effect on blood circulation, since anthocyanins have been linked to improved vascular function, meaning they help blood vessels stay more flexible and efficient. And better blood flow ensures that oxygen and essential nutrients like amino acids and glucose reach your muscles more quickly, which directly supports faster repair and improved performance over time. Purple potatoes also provide complex carbohydrates that help restore glycogen levels in the muscles, similar to other potatoes, but with the added advantage of higher antioxidant density, making them a more recovery-focused carbohydrate source rather than just an energy food. In addition to this, they contain small amounts of fiber and micronutrients that support overall metabolic health, helping stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce unnecessary energy spikes and crashes, which is important because stable energy allows your body to stay in a consistent recovery state after exercise without added stress on the system.